Welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are on the Spirit of Tasmania 2, heading back to the mainland, to the Big Island.
Yes. Firstly, what we would love to do is to just thank the people that we have met, the people that we've stayed with, and I guess just generally the generosity of people in Tasmania. They've been most helpful, friendly, and cooperative. They've gone out of their way numerous times there to help us out with various things. So very, very big thanks to everyone in Tasmania and those that have helped. We really appreciate it. What we would like to just go over, just briefly I suppose, is the things that we like, some of the things that we didn't like or do differently, and basically how the trip itself went. We spent 4 months down here in Tassie. 4 months and a couple of days.
Went so quickly.
Yeah, unfortunately, it disappeared very quickly. How the truck performed. Numerous things stand out, but we keep thinking about, from the good side of things, we keep thinking about where was the best camp spot, where was the best area. We've got so many best areas.
Trial Harbour would have to be...
Trial Harbour is fantastic. Right, yeah, definitely.
And the Waterhouse Conservation Area, that was amazing.
There were so many areas that was spectacular, all for their own reason. But to single one out is very, very difficult. As Heather said, Trial Harbour is probably right up there. Yeah, each area had so many positives to it. Tassie itself is just a brilliant
destination.
Yeah, absolutely. You want to hold that?
No, just don't.
I'm shivering.
So. I know. It is very cold. At least Bass Strait's not too wild. We're not feeling sick at all. So.
No, after the wind yesterday, we thought that Tasmania was going to get blown somewhere over towards New Zealand. But gee whiz.
It turned out all right. It's beautiful, actually.
Today's a cracker of a day. Great day to be on the water. Yeah, everything went very well. We didn't plan the itinerary at all. It just evolved. So we had no disappointments. God, jeez. I'm having great difficulty holding the camera steady.
Cold and windy, and I'm scared I'm going to lose my hat.
We may have to retreat to back inside where I might be able to stop shaking. So,
okay, let's go.
What will we do different? Probably wear warmer clothes occasionally. That's one thing that we would change, is the length of time that we come down. Make it longer. 4 months. Everyone said to us initially, what are you going to do in Tassie for 4 months? We ran out of time trying to fit everything in. So give yourself plenty of time. Don't think you're going to come down here in a fortnight and see everything there is to see in Tassie. It's not going to happen, guys. It's a very, very lovely place. The people are very friendly. If you're not happy with the weather, come back in 5 minutes. It'll be totally different.
Stay tuned. You never know where Team Detour is going to pop up next.
Yes.
Keep watching, and just want to thank all the subscribers and the people who've been watching our channel. Really appreciate your comments and your support.
Send us a comment. Let us know how you're going to spend your time in Tassie. And don't be afraid to ask questions where we recommend you can and can't go. And if you're coming down in a truck, let us know and we can tell you in advance where you may not fit. But cheers for now, guys.
Until next time. See you on the next video.
Cheers.
In audio.